Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create frames with AI in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Click apps and click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find AI frames. Easily create beautiful frames with AI. So here you can simply describe your desired frame and watch as AI bring it to life, unlock endless possibilities and create stunning frame with ease. Click to use in new design. And here we go. You can enter your description to generate frame. And this is the gallery. So maybe you can use this instead of you create your by yourself, because you need to sign in or upgrade to AI Frames Pro. So here's, feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.